Hello trade pros. Do you enter into a fierce cycle of loss after you lose one trade? Today I'm going to share a quick tip with you on how to get out of that cycle and how to reset your mind state so you're ready for the next trade. Let's jump into it. So what makes you continue to lose? What happens when you're in a losing trade is your cortisol levels increase. When your cortisol increases, what ends up happening is you experience stress. Your body begins to feel a state that it wants to get out of. Your lizard brain is activated and it does everything possible to get you out of that situation because it assumes that you're in danger. Now, what caused that danger? Your subconscious mind knows that while you were in a trade, you were actually experiencing that fear of loss, and that fear of loss was terminated once you got out of the trade. So what's actually happened is you've associated that loss with a situation of lack and a situation of fear. Once you get into that state, it's going to be nearly impossible for you to be successful because every single time you get into a new trade, your lizard brain associates the fact that you're in a trade with your previous loss. That will force you to self-sabotage and get out of that trade to avoid the outcome of the previous one. And this cycle continues and continues until you lose a ton of money and your logical brain just said, "I had enough, I'm gonna walk away." But therein lies the key. One of the best solutions when you lose a trade and you notice that you're feeling stressful is to actually get up and walk away right then and there. I give myself a 5-minute rule. So if I ever lose a trade and I start to notice the emotions creeping up, I start to feel a loss of confidence, I start to feel fear, I start to feel a negative relationship with risk, that's my cue to get up and literally walk around for 5 minutes. What I usually do is I could go to the coffee maker and make myself a coffee, I could go use the washroom, or I could just simply take a walk. Dang it! Well, there goes my stop loss. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter. The important part is that you leave the atmosphere. Your mind state will then reset and allow you to start to see things more clearly once again when you get back to your trading desk. But what happens if you get back to your trading desk and you notice that emotional state come right back over you once again? The mind is a very interesting thing. What happens when you're extremely happy? You smile like this.
Like this.
It's also scientifically proven that when you smile, it's impossible for you to have a negative mind state. If you truly smile and put your energy into that smile, you cannot think of anything negative. So what I like to do is when I get back from a loss and I take a 5-minute walk, once I sit back down, I reacclimatize to the positive mindset. I affirm to myself, why am I trading? What am I doing this for? I'm doing it for a life of freedom. I'm doing it for independence. I want to work for myself, have my own schedule, and I absolutely love trading. So what I do is I experience the positivity of those 5 things, and I remind myself that the reason I trade is not to be afraid of loss, but instead to live the lifestyle that I want. And the risk of trading comes along with getting the lifestyle that I want. So I remind myself, losses are a normal course of business. It's a normal part of the game. There is a big difference between a big uncontrollable loss and a contained loss. As long as my losses are contained, I will survive. Then I'll just smile, I'll take a deep breath, and I'll start to trade once again. And you'll notice that your mind state has completely shifted. You've completely reset and left behind that old negative state. You're now back in the zone. You're back in what we call flow. This is what athletes use to perform. And if you want to be a successful trader, you're going to have to behave like an athlete. You are a high performance machine. Trust yourself, trust your analysis, and get rid of all negative emotions. If you're sitting at the computer and you're feeling negative in any type of way, be it something that's impacting you with your family, friends, an external event, if it's a previous trade, if you're just angry, upset, emotional in any way, that's your cue to get up and walk away. From a negative mindset, negative results arise. There's a saying in trading that scared money never wins. We all see the same information as traders, but some of us are successful while others struggle. And the difference is not a strategy, it's not a secret, it's emotional mind state. Get yourself in a positive state and you'll get yourself closer to positive and successful results. On May 1st, we're starting our Trading Psychology Mastery course, and we're gonna take a deep dive over 7 weeks in a live environment, and I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about trading psychology. I'm certified at a master level as a neuro-linguistic practitioner, life and success coach, clinical hypnotherapist, emotional freedom techniques, and time techniques practitioner. I've invested in myself to build the skill set to create a performance-driven mentality, and I'm gonna share that with you. Elite subscribers will have complimentary access to this brand new course, and I'm only recording it live once, so I'd love for you to be there. I'll put the link in the description below. The first lesson is absolutely free, and it's a live webinar, and I'd love to see you there. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. I hope this tip will help you get in a positive mind state, and I'd love to hear from you. Has this helped you take one loss and cap it there and reshift your thinking to get back to a positive and winning mentality? Please comment below, like, share, subscribe. We got a lot of awesome stuff coming your way. Thanks a bunch, guys. Have yourselves a great day. Manage your risk, and remember, trade like a trade pro. Take care and goodbye.